Hello, good morning everyone. Hope you all are safe at your home and enjoying your study. Be ready with CET sheet. Sheet number is 421109 and your notepad. In last lecture we had studied problems based on the Young's modulus. Two more problems we will solve in the same formula and we will move to the next topic. So see the problem number 18. The dimensions of 4 wire of the same materials are given, in which wire the increase in length will be maximum when the same tension is applied. Tension same apply करने का है और we have to find the increase in length. So see the solution here. The extension is given by the formula FL upon AY. Force is constant and Young's modulus is constant because of same material. Hence this extension is directly proportional to L upon D square. This extension is depends on L and ratio of L upon D square. सो वी हैव गिवन 4 वायर्स, चारों का अपने को लेंथ दिया है, चारों वायर के लिए अपने को डायमीटर भी दिया है. हेंस द एरिया इज गिवन इन टर्म्स ऑफ टेकन इन टर्म्स ऑफ डी स्क्वेयर. तो चारों वायर के लिए एल अपॉन डी का रेशो फाइंड किया, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. सो इन दैट फोर्थ वायर के लिए दैट रेशो इज मैक्सिमम. हेंस द एक्सटेंशन प्रोड्यूस इन द फोर्थ वायर विल बी मैक्सिमम एंड ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. The area of cross section of steel wire, Young's modulus is given, is 0.1 centimeter square. The force required to double its length will be, एक वायर है उसका लेंथ कैपिटल एल है तो उसको उसके लेंथ के इतना अपने को एक्सटेंड करने का है, तो उसको कितना फोर्स अप्लाई करने का है दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड. सी द सॉल्यूशन हियर. डबल इट्स लेंथ मतलब उसका एक्सटेंशन एल के इतना होना चाहिए. Therefore the strain is equals to small l upon capital L, that ratio is 1. Force is equals to stress into area and the stress is given in terms of Young's modulus and strain is Young's modulus into strain and this area. Strain is equals to 1, Young's modulus is given and area is also given. So multiplying all the values you will get this answer and option A is the right answer. Now we will see the next topic, formulas. Strain energy is given by half into force into extension and strain energy per unit volume. There are 3 formulas for strain energy per unit volume. हाफ इंटू स्ट्रेस इंटू स्ट्रेन. हाफ इंटू स्ट्रेस का स्क्वायर रहेगा तो यंग्स मॉडुलस डिवाइड होगा, स्ट्रेन का स्क्वायर रहेगा तो यंग्स मॉडुलस मल्टीप्लाई होगा. सो बेस्ड ऑन दिस फॉर्मूला वी विल सॉल्व न्यूमेरिकल्स. सी द प्रॉब्लम नंबर 3. The Young's modulus of a wire is Y. If the energy per unit volume is E, then the strain will be, energy per unit volume is given as E and the strain we have to find. See the solution here. Strain energy per unit volume is given by E and E का in terms of strain का formula होता है half into strain का square into Young's modulus. We have to find this strain. So this Y will divide here and 2 will multiply here. So 2e upon y is strain square and therefore strain is equals to under root of 2e upon y. Hence option D is the right answer. Now see the numerical number 12. If the potential energy of a spring is V on stretching it by 2 cm, then its potential energy when it is stretched by 10 cm will be. Potential energy is nothing but the strain energy in the wire. See the solution here. This strain energy is given by half into force into extension. If force is constant, then this strain energy is directly proportional to the extension. This is first extension, this is second extension, 2 cm and 10 cm. फर्स्ट एक्सटेंशन के लिए स्ट्रेन एनर्जी का वैल्यू अगर V है तो सेकेंड वाला एक्सटेंशन कितना आएगा. Hence the formula E2 by E1 is equals to L2 by L1. E2 is equals to E1 यहाँ पे जाके मल्टीप्लाई होगा, दैट इज E1 का वैल्यू है V. सो V will multiply here and 10 by 2 5V. So answer is 5V. Hence the option A is the right answer. Now see the next numerical 48. The ratio of Young's modulus of the material of 2 wires is 2 by 3. If the same stress is applied on the both, then the ratio of elastic energy per unit volume will be options. Now look at this formula, strain energy per unit volume. There are 3 formulas. जब स्ट्रेस के टर्म में रहेगा तो स्ट्रेन एनर्जी इज इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द वॉल्यूम, इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द यंग्स मॉडुलस. एंड स्ट्रेन के टर्म में रहेगा तो स्ट्रेन एनर्जी डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द यंग्स मॉडुलस. When stress is constant, it is inversely proportional to Young's modulus. Strain is constant, directly proportional to Young's modulus. We have given stress is constant, so we have to use this formula. So strain energy is inversely proportional to Young's modulus. Stress is equal when stress is constant. We have given the ratio of Young's modulus is 2/3. Hence the ratio of strain energy is 3/2. उल्टा हो जाएगा. अगर स्ट्रेन कांस्टेंट होता, नोट स्ट्रेन एनर्जी इज इक्वल्स टू डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू यंग्स मॉडुलस. व्हेन स्ट्रेन इज कांस्टेंट, उस टाइम आपका आंसर 2/3 का 2/3 रेशियो रहता उसका. हेंस द ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ वी हैव टू सी द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक दैट यू हैव नॉट स्टडीड इन योर 12th बोर्ड सिलेबस. इंक्रीज इन लेंथ ऑफ वायर ड्यू टू इट्स ओन वेट. अगर किसी वायर का उसके खुद के वेट से कितना एक्सटेंशन हो रहा है तो वो फाइंड करने के लिए अपने पास फॉर्मूला है. दिस स्मॉल एल इज़ द एक्सटेंशन इज इक्वल्स टू एल स्क्वेयर रो जी अपॉन 2y. एल इज़ द ओरिजिनल लेंथ, रो इज़ द डेंसिटी, जी इज एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी, वाई इज़ द यंग्स मॉडुलस एंड स्मॉल एल इज़ द एक्सटेंशन. So using this formula we can find the extension produced in the wire because of its own weight. So based on that formula we have to see the numerical number 27. The Young's modulus of rubber string is 8 cm long and density is 1.5 kg per meter cube, is 5 into 10 raised to 10. Young's modulus is 5 into 10 raised to 10. Density is given 1.5 kg per meter cube. Is suspended on the ceiling in a room. The increase in length due to its own weight will be. So just use that formula. Small l is equals to L square rho g upon 2y. Young's modulus का वैल्यू गिवन शीट में रॉन्ग दिया है. वो 10 raised to 10 की जगह पे आपको 10 raised to 8 लेने का है. So using that this value you will get the correct answer. Solving this all you will get the correct answer 9.6 into 10 raised to 11. Hence option D is the right answer. So you have to remember this formula. Now we have to see the another topic that you have not covered in your 12th standard board exam. Length for which wire can break due to its own weight. खुद की वेट की वजह से वो कौन से लेंथ के लिए वायर ब्रेक हो सकता है, that length we can find. So first we will use the formula of breaking stress. Stress is equals to force upon area, breaking force upon area. Breaking force is equals to m into g upon area. This m can be written in terms of volume and density, and g is the acceleration due to gravity. Volume of wire is given by area into length. This wire is nothing but like a cylinder, small cylinder. So area into length is volume. This density and g, a cancel, so formula remains L rho g. This is what breaking stress. We have to find this L. So this L is equals to breaking stress upon rho g. Breaking stress upon rho g. So based on that formula we will solve numerical. A substance breaks down by a stress of 10 raised to 6. So breaking stress is given 10 raised to 6. Density of the material is also given 3 into 10 raised to 3. Then the length of wire of the substance which will break under its own weight when suspended vertically. So using that formula, L is equals to breaking stress upon rho g. Breaking stress is given 10 raised to 6. Density is given, and g we will consider here 10 for simplification for easy calculation. So this 10 raised to 3 and 10 raised to 4 न्यूमरेटर में जाके और 10 raised to 6 minus 10 raised to 4 10 raised to 2 divided by 3 100 divided by 3 answer is 33.3. Hence option B is the right answer. So today we will stop here. Remaining all problems we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.